Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Karmela Cosmetics Silk Matte Lipstick Long Last Formula in the shade Retro. I am so excited to try this shade out. I actually got this Karmela Cosmetics Silk Matte Lipstick in a previous Ipsy box and I was so impressed by it. And Karmela Cosmetics is such an amazing company, and they actually sent me this product for free to try out another shade since I loved their other lipstick. So disclaimer that this product was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I love that they break out their lipsticks into a red collection, a pink collection, and so on. And if you know me, of course, I love pink, so I got the shade from the pink collection. It retails for $28 and it has nourishing ingredients in it. It's cruelty-free. It says it's a high pigment silk matte lipstick, naturally formulated with minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins for a weightless, long-lasting lip. And what I also love about this is that it says that 10% of net profits from sales of Retro, this shade here, are donated to the National Breast Cancer Foundation. See, isn't this just such a sweet company? I really love them. I think you should definitely support them. But let's get on to the product here. And the packaging is beautiful and it's magnetic, like it's like a metal, so it feels like very good quality. And then the lipstick itself, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this shade. I'm gonna start out with a swatch. Oh my gosh, incredible. It is the most gorgeous shade of pink and it's bright, but maybe not too bright. I mean, I love all shades of pink, so it's gonna be hard for me to say if any shade of pink is too something, but it also seems so pigmented and creamy, and I'm just so excited to put this on my lips. Let's see how it is. Oh my goodness. Just wearing this shade instantly makes me so happy. I am gonna go in with a second layer just to build it up to that full color. So yeah, it's the Silk Matte lipstick. And as I'm applying it, I'm like, this is just the most beautiful velvety matte finish because it's not a drying matte at all, but it doesn't really have shine to it, but it's like a little bit more matte than a cream lipstick. So it's just this really beautiful texture. And as you can see, of course, a very beautiful color. If I'm really zoomed in looking in the mirror, I can see a little bit of texture of my chapped dry lips underneath this. And even though I layered it up, I'm just so picky. Like, I can see a little bit of texture, so I probably should wear a lip balm or something like that underneath this just to smooth out my dry chapped lips, especially in the fall and the winter. But it's supposed to be long lasting, so let's see how it looks after a kiss test. It's such a beautiful kiss mark, but a lot of transfer. It is just that classic stick lipstick formula that I'm no surprise it does transfer. I pretty much just always expect that classic bullet type of lipstick to have transfer like this, so no surprise there. But what is surprising and amazing and different than most other bullet type of lipsticks like this is that it's so pigmented that it doesn't look like it has faded one bit, even after all of that transfer. So if I am going to wear this type of lipstick, the bullet type of lipstick, I want it to be something just like this, so pigmented that when it does transfer, you can't even tell. If you have not seen my review of the other shade of this lipstick that I've tried out, it's a gorgeous red. I'll have that video linked in the description down below so you can check it out. But if you've tried out any of the Karmela Cosmetics lipsticks, I would love to hear your thoughts on them. Let me know if you have any favorite colors. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.